Well, hey guys and gals, we're out here. We put in over, I think that's the Stewart Creek ramp. And man, this new boat, just smoothest ride I think I've ever ridden in a boat. So yeah, Jeff got a new Champion 202 with a 250 Merc on the back. And this thing rides like a dream. I mean, it's
like a race car.
Yeah, it's awesome. So anyway, guys, we're out here. We're gonna, I think, commit to throwing a chatterbait for a while, and I got all kinds of stuff tied on, so I am ready to get 2018 started. How about you, Jeff?
Yep.
All right, let's get her done. Okay, guys, we're in the new boat. We're getting ready to head on down the lake. We're gonna go ahead and let the video run so you can check it out. Here we go. Trim. There you go, right there. What's your RPMs?
I'm at like 3,500.
Okay. Watch to your right. Well, there was a 17-minute boat ride.
Yeah.
Looks like submerged timber.
Yeah, so,
Hey, there's a waypoint up there.
yeah.
What is that?
I don't know,
Okay, guys, just wanted to record a
but
boat ride. So
like this.
Jeff just caught one on chatterbait.
Well, we just caught a little one. He ain't big, but that's good. We got some fish back here. At least we caught one for the day. And so basically, I'm just throwing some light chatterbait, chartreuse, and Chuck's little is his idea, the little bluegill. What were those again?
They're Kitex.
Oh, kite
Swim
tag,
baits.
just a bluegill kite tag.
Alright, guys, we come out here out on the main lake and we have found some fish. So if we can figure out how to catch them, I think we may have found a good spot. We're out here 20 foot of water. I got a good feeling about this, Jeff. Yeah, we can see a bunch of them. They look good size too. They're sitting down there on the bottom. Huh? Boy, it's windy out here today. Jesus, let us catch one. A keeper. Several. Success, guys. Just caught one on a 3XD Strike King. Alright, Jeff, what I did is ran that parallel to the bank. It's just like I was thinking. They're up here on this rock. Man, that's a good one. Come out of there, dude. Come on. Boy, he wanted it. So anyway, guys, there he is.
Oh, nice. Talking in a live well or what?
He is... Yeah, he's 15 and a quarter, 15 and a half. Jeff, can you turn the live well on? Because I don't know which switches are which with this new boat. Well, hey guys. Well, I just thought I would show you a little bit of how low the lake is out here. Look back behind me. Look at all the rock that is showing. It's definitely the lake is just definitely down right now. We haven't done so well today. I've only caught one keeper, and he was 2 pounds, 11 ounces. Jeff caught 2 small ones, but we've seen a lot of fish on the graph, um, and we just haven't been able to. They just do not seem to want to feed. I don't know if it has anything to do with the storms that rolled through, and then, you know, it's been gusty today. It's like 18-mile-an-hour gust, so it hasn't been the greatest conditions. But check out back behind us here. There's Jeff. He's hung up, I think. But you can see back behind me all of this rock. It just kind of shows you, you know, how bad the lake is down. But we've had a good time otherwise. I wish I could have snagged a couple more, and you know, we still got some time before we quit here in a little while. So hopefully I can snag at least one to kind of salvage the day. Anyway, get back to you later. See ya.